Hello, good day to my future employer. Mom and sir, please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Shakira Biobra, 32 years of age, a high school graduate from Novaliches, Quezon City, Philippines. I'm happily with live-in partner and blessed with 3 daughters. Their ages 15 years of age, 12 years of age, and 9 years of age. I'm excited to meet you and work as a household workers in your household. I am a hardworking person, reliable person, and honesty person. And I'm willing to learn everything the task that you are given to me. Mom and sir, I have 6 years experience as a domestic worker in Middle East. I have 2 years experience in Kuwait. I served 3 elderly women of the family. My main duties is to take care an elderly women. Their ages 85 years of age, 55 years of age, and 52 years of age. I'll do also household chores such as cleaning the house, mopping floor, washing clothes, ironing, wash the dishes, and cooking Arabic food. I have 4 years experience in Dubai. I served 7 members of the family. They are 2 of couple, 3 adults, and 2 elderly women. I'll do household chores such as cleaning the house, mopping floor, wash the dishes, washing clothes, ironing, organizing, take care of pet, 2 cats, and preparing breakfast, lunch, and dinner, car washing, marketing. Please, mom and sir, if you choose me, I am willing to learn everything the task that you are given. Thank you and God bless you, mom and sir.